Hey everyone, well, a little bit of different video here today. I got the old Case 580K backhoe out here. Going to be helping a family member relocate a driveway access. We're going to dig out a culvert and move this approach. So we'll be bucketing a whole bunch of materials. So the first time you're going to see me on camera doing some backhoe work. So I'm a bit rusty, haven't done for a while, so going to get on with it and start digging here. We'll get set up. So. wondering why I'm kind of farting around there when I'm digging, I can't pull through the culvert here. I got to reuse this whole culvert. I can't, we're not putting a new pipe in. We're extracting this one and moving it up the road over there a few hundred feet there. There's originally an old trail road that went in there, and when they rebuilt this road a number of years back, of course they go and move the, they went and put the access approach to this piece of land, and there's right over here, there's a slough hole right in here, but yet the main access road for the farm access was over there originally, and they go stick it 250 feet over here further down in a swamp hole. So that's why we're moving this pipe here now. You can see here they took the shovels and just cleaned the top off so I could see where it is there. I was kept touching it with the bucket. I can't just jab right in and dig. If you're wondering why I'm farting around, feeling my way in is because I don't want to stab through the top of this galvanized culvert here. So you got to be very careful when you're digging around stuff like this. So I've got this mostly exposed here now. Now I just got to clean up that end there, and then once got that, then I can finish cutting my slope on the bank here on this side, and then work our way back and follow the pitch or the slope of the shoulder of the road down to the bottom of the ditch and finish cleaning this out. So yeah, a little bit of this is the hardest part here, getting this culvert exposed and out. So I'm going to keep digging here and finish cleaning this up here. So.
got it.
Now we got to get this ungainly pipe moved over there. Gonna go ahead and let go of it there with the hoe right away, let it down, and then we'll get a couple of chains on, pick it up with the front end loader, and then walk it on down over there, and then he's got a pile of dirt over there he's been shoveling back and forth here, and then roll it down into the bottom of the ditch, get it set in its place, and then start putting dirt over it. Maybe not the most graceful, but well, anyways. just place it a little bit where we want it there for angle, but I think we're actually pretty good. That end's got to go a little bit, eh?
Yeah, a little bit to the east, it's pretty centered. So.
Yeah. Actually, it's pretty good right where it is over there, I think, so.
Yeah, that end's pretty good. Right in the middle.
Okay.